Hi guys! Before we start this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss another video we upload. Thanks! Bye! Bye! Hi guys! We are going to make a Trolls World Tour Party Pop Cookie House Kit! Wow! Yes. Now we're going to unbox it. Okay, now we are going to unbox the Party Pop Cookie House Kit. So, we have some of the trolls, the cookies, and some sprinkles, and the icing, pre-made, and some gummies. Yeah.
Okay, so Daddy's gonna help you out build your cookie pop, what's this? Party pop cookie house kit, okay?
This is the first time we showed up.
Open that up so you
we're gonna put. Winky has the candy stars and the gum. So these are all the decorations we're gonna put on our house.
All right.
Okay, so now we are going to put the decorations onto our Party Pop Cookie House Kit. So yeah, let's put them on. Star at the front, back. Star. And star here. Daddy, what did I put the star? And a gumdrop here. Daddy, what did I put and this? A gumdrop here. And another gumdrop here. Final Party Pop Cookie House Kit. Hope you like it. Bye. Coming. And delicious. Yum. Thanks for watching our video. For the last time, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss another video when we upload. Bye!